Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna start my 75 gallon tank terrarium, and I'm gonna flip it over on its side because I'm gonna do like the back wall first. I'm gonna be using this foam sealant, this cork bark. I'm gonna try to cut it in half, maybe in a couple of pieces. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it comes out when I first cut it. So I'm gonna try to stick these to the back. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this cork bark from this saw here. Hopefully everything goes good. Cutting this cork bark. Let me see how I'm gonna cut it. Maybe I should just try cutting it like this. Cut it on the side. That's it. Okay, so now I got the pieces. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna put the pieces onto the glass. See how I'm gonna set this up. Try it like this. See what it looks like. I'll just put them like that. Put a couple little small pieces here. I must stick these on too. Okay. And I got this one already. I have it already set with the these two air plants already. I actually glued them. I'm gonna show you the glue that I used to glue. So I used this glue here. I just put a little tiny dab on the plant just to get it to hold on like that. So I'm trying to see how I'm gonna set this up. Maybe I should set them up high. So I'm gonna set them up like this, really high up, and now I'm gonna use the foam to foam it up so it'll hold there. So now I'm gonna use this waterfall foam sealant. Alright guys, so I ran out of this one. This one's actually $14 a can. But I'm gonna use this one. This type. It's not this like dark black or purplish color one like this one. But this one's cheaper. It's about, I don't remember exactly what I paid for, but about like I think $8 or something like that. But this one's like $14. I'm gonna use this one because it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna be using cocoa. What is that? this cocoa fiber right here to top it off so it'll stick on. I don't want to touch the stuff because the stuff is like hard to get off. Okay, so this is how I applied all that foam on there. I even got some on that plant there. I shouldn't have planted the plants by mistake. Okay. Gotta try to clean it off. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this cocoa fiber. It's a little bit moist. From when I got it, it was a brick, so I had to use the use water to make it expand. So I'm gonna just apply this around. It's a little bit moist. Okay, so I applied all that cocoa fiber all over, and there are some patchy spots, but I'll touch these up with some silicone. I gotta see how this sticks on, so I'm gonna have to wait a day, let it all dry up, and then mess around with it a little bit more. After it dries up, I'm gonna put a little silicone in all the spots and then stick it back on. Cover up the patchy spots. So that's it for today, guys, on the 75-gallon terrarium tank, and we'll see how the progress goes tomorrow. See what I'm gonna have to wait till it dries up a little bit, and I'm gonna keep on working with it. And I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and peace out.